Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Sooji cheela. Today we will need 2 cups of Sooji, 2 cups of water, some vegetables. I have quarter of a bell pepper and quarter of a red onion, 1 inch of ginger chopped. You will also need ghee for roasting the cheela. Also I have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, and chili pepper to taste. We will start by making our batter. Add the Sooji or rava. Then I'll add all the vegetables. My spices and baking powder. Mix it up. Now I will add the water. Mix it in. And you want to let this sit for 30 minutes. And while you're waiting for this to sit, you guys can hit the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. We will first start by adding some ghee to the pan. And let it heat up. The ghee and the pan are heated up, so I'm going to add my batter to make the cheela. You want to make it like a pancake. I will let it cook from both sides. As you can see, it's starting to get dried up, so I'm going to flip it. Okay, we will let it cook on the other side as well. The goal is to get it this consistency so it's crispy on the outside and a little soft in the inside. Trying to cook it evenly on both sides. Let me try and flip it and see what it looks like on the other side. Still needs a little bit more cooking on this side. So let me flip it now. Let me check on the other side. Looks like it's starting to brown up as well. Looks like our Sooji cheela is ready to be served. Now you can finish making from the rest of the batter, and you can serve it with some chutneys and sauces. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.